You should change both of the escalators to the I possibly
I have one more. I have two more. One at 3 and another one at 5. So I'm just...
This will be good for something, right?
Yeah, so they could fix it.
They found out Ben's at school. Like he owes money for financial aid. Want to go down the stairs?
Escalators both are working on the same direction.
They're both going down? Yeah, it was kind of fucking rude and weird at the same time, dude.
Just go down.
What happened, Danielle?
I took the road less traveled. Get it? This is probably what it sounded like in World Trade Center before it came down. I should ask that guy what happened. I should, huh? Hey, what happened?
I don't know yet. Let me head out though, please.
Okay. Oh, oh, that wasn't me. Let me out first. What happened, Celia? Did a Mexican fuck a buffalo? Oh, I shouldn't have said that. That's